Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make apple crumble mock cake. Is quick to make treat in a microwave. This is chewy soft cake with apples topped with crumble. The recipe is for 2 servings. So let's start it. We need 2 medium apples, core and chop. Divide the apples into 2 cups. Add half teaspoon of all-purpose flour to each cup. Add a pinch of cinnamon and ginger. Gently mix the ingredients. By the way, if you are new to my channel, hello there, welcome! Make sure to subscribe and click that bell, here you will find many interesting recipes. Add in a small bowl 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 7 tablespoons of rolled oats. Add some cinnamon. Mix all ingredients together. Spread the crumble mixture on top of the apples. Put in the microwave for 5 to 6 minutes. The apples should be bubbling and the whole thing will reduce in size. Cooking time is based on my 750 watts microwave, so your timing might vary. Cooking time will vary greatly depending on your microwave and the width and depth of the mock. Carefully remove from the microwave and let stand until cool enough to eat. Be careful, because it's going to be really hot at first. Enjoy warm or cold. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.